Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL. This one's silver. Underneath it's a 2.4 4-cylinder with 185 horsepower. For wheels we get 17-inch alloys. A dark cloth interior with a light wood trim. Santa Fe badging. Open up the tailgate, get a clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats. Keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, climate controls, heated seats, USB and auxiliary, 8-speed automatic transmission. This Hyundai has 10,057 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Hyundai Santa Fe, check out feldmanimports.com.